Hi everyone, this is Mia and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here to talk about what women are going to do while this isolation period is happening, especially if you're one of those ladies that have had their nails done in a salon and have no ways to take them off, meaning no ways to go to a beauty salon, no ways to have your nail lady come to your home or anything like that. So this is a time more than ever that we have to learn to do certain things by ourselves. I'm not saying that you shouldn't go to nail salons, but I am suggesting that at the time of isolation is probably the time to get some time for yourself and really learn to do certain things for yourself when you can't get the service somewhere outside. So let's get into it. For the past few days, I've been researching online what are the best ways to remove gel off my nails. And I came across something called E-File, which is an electric gel that can be used on natural nails, acrylic, gel, and even cuticles. E-File is a lot more precise and effective way to remove gel off your nails, since regular file requires more time and effort and it is more difficult to use in small areas between the skin and nails. Now this is my first E-File and I got it on Amazon from a brand called Melody Susie for about $70. It arrived in this box along with a user's manual, scamming the rechargeable nail drill, the actual nail drill, packaging with 6 different bits, charger, and the 2 nail drill holders. So this is the Scamander, and the Scamander has power plug on the bottom. Then the forward and reverse buttons on the side. Forward is for people who are right-handed and reverse is for people who are left-handed. On the top, we can see the drill plug as well as on and off button. While on the front, we can see LED display, and when I actually turn it on, the display shows battery levels as well as RPMs that go anywhere from 1 to like 30. And the RPMs are actually stand for rotation per minute or the speed. To get started, the first thing we need to do is to choose the right bit. And as you guys can see, there are like 6 different bits intended for different purposes. The first one is needle head and it's used to polish nail edges. Second one is safety bit and it's used for cuticles. Then we have cone that's used for under nails. We have small barrel for surface work. Then we have large barrel for surface work and for nail shortening. And then finally we have mandrel that is supposed to be used with sanding bands right there for surface work. Now you guys can choose the sanding band you prefer depending on if you want something a little bit more strong like right here, this one, or a little bit softer like this one. I chose the large barrel as you guys can see simply because I want to trim my nails and remove gel. To do so, we must place the large barrel inside the nail drill by opening it this way and placing it inside. Make sure you close it accordingly so it doesn't come out. The next thing to do is to put the machine on, and in this case, since my gel is actually pretty strong because it's UV gel, I'm gonna put it for 15. But if you guys have had some regular gel done, such as OPI or something like that, definitely is better to put it on 6 or 7. Or if you are working with a natural nail, then I suggest you use mandrel along with sanding bands because it's a little bit more delicate. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna put it up to 15. You can hear the machine, but it's not that loud, so that's another good thing about it. and I'm gonna work on this nail. Now there's two ways to go about this. You can either use the top to bottom technique or left to right technique in the case you're right-handed. Also make sure that your machine is set on forward. Let's get started. Now I'm just removing the superficial layer. As you guys can see, usually for any kind of gel removal, we should use a dust collector or ventilator, but since I don't have one, I decided to use a towel. As you guys can see, we're almost done here, and in the final step I would suggest you to use mandrel with one of the sanding bands. As you guys can see, we're completely done here. We have successfully removed gel off our nail. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.